My name is Abigail McKenna Thiaine. I achieved to score 425. First of all is to thank the Almighty God for his favor and the love. It took a lot of hard work, perseverance, patience, especially during these times. Many people lost heart, they gave up, but you have to persevere. You work hard, you work smart, you do what people are not doing, you go an extra mile, and in the end it paid off. I'm excited, shocked, happy, but all in all, I thank God, I thank my parents, I thank my teachers especially, because at times we gave up because you've been at home for 7 months, then all of a sudden you have to do KCP. It's not a commercial paper, it's a national paper.
Since she was a little girl, she has been hardworking very much, very hardworking, not giving up and focused. So I thank everything, and I'm also very excited, and I thank everybody for all this.
Tondo no kuona riu turumite long holiday ino ya covid na ni uramenya ciana imwe no irire kagirania aciari no maragikuire ni undu wa murimu uyu aria angi magakoma thibitari angi makarwara ciana itari na moment macoka cukuru matinoka kungetio ni aciari kwoguo angi marari ona trema magirigo kana aciari mari oguo kana makamakora kana matikamakora na no ngai mwega ni tuge results yo ni njega tondu ni ma perform ona ukira uria tura expectaga.
Na ni director wa Jolly Hope Academy iria koretwo gitongoria wega itura-ini ria Southern Nyandarua ta miaka 20 na ni turagoca mwathani mwaka uyu ni uria ciana citu ikoretwo igika wega. Mwana witu wa mbere muiretu ena 412 na ciana 370 and above cini ciana 25 na ciana iria itongoretie wega thukuru ya Jolly Hope Academy. Ciana namba imwe kinya ciana namba 8 ni airetu atheri imwana iroka na ku kianda namba 7. Koguo ni turacokia ngatho kwi Ngai ni undu wa ciana icio ikoretwo igika wega.